Hi, brothers and sisters. Welcome to the Lesson 3 Teacher Thought. Just a couple short things I want to remind you of today. I've had a few questions or concerns about the discussion boards. Discussion boards in this class are different than in GS 120. Just a reminder, you need to make 5 posts. That can be 1 original thread and 4 replies, or it can be 5 replies. You don't have to make your own original thread, although I love when you start one off for us. So just know that I am able to see whether it was a thread or a reply and how many you do, and I read all of them when I'm grading them. And so if you don't earn full points, that's why. You need to have 5, which is more than in GS 120. And I just want to remind you of the importance of communication. You're learning along with math in this course. You're practicing your English skills, you're practicing your grammar and conventions, and you're getting stronger in that area. And it's so important to learn how to communicate in English because that's the course that you're in. So I want you to know that you don't ever need to hesitate to come to me, whether you feel like your English is confident enough or not. I am able to help you. Just this week, we had an amazing student in our class have her baby. So excited for her. But it did come early and she was a little bit worried about assignments and what's going on. But she came to me and I'm able to help her, okay, because she communicated with me. If you don't communicate with me and let me know what's going on, I can't help you. And that's going to be the way in all your college courses through BYU Idaho and through hopefully any other college you might attend for the rest of your educational career. You need to learn to communicate through email or messages or whatever works for you if you have any concerns. So with that, let me know if you need anything. I'll be checking in with you all on the discussion boards, and I look forward to learning from you this week. See you later.